If you've ever wondered about the difference between the questions Mitä tämä on and Mikä tämä on, then I'm about to shed some light on it. Mikä is what in the nominative, in the basic form. Mitä is what in the partitive form. Imagine I'm pointing at a bottle that has some water in it. I ask my friend, Mikä tämä on? And my friend would answer it with something like vesipullo, a water bottle. So my friend would be right in assuming that I'm asking what the object is, not what's inside it. But if I ask, Mitä tämä on? My friend will likely answer, water, vettä. And because the idea is that I'm after something in the partitive by asking Mitä, my friend will say vettä, not vesi, which is the basic form. We need the partitive vettä.